My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now. Friends, in this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of the Steeler XLM. What's the price change goes in the Steeler XLM, what's the high price, and what is the current change occur in the Steeler XLM, and I'm trying to detect the what's the next target of the Steeler XLM. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and update about Steeler XLM. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you listen my voice, so please kindly subscribe now ABS Tech channel. So friends, the currently last 1 hour price prediction, at this time the change occur in a Steeler XLM. As you can see here on the screen, it's loading. So please kindly like this video and kindly subscribe my channel for more this kind of videos. Friends, the change occurred this time in a Steeler XLM is about negative 1.27%, and the high price of the XLM is about $0.6101 USD dollar is the high price of XLM coin. Friends, now friends, the current price of the XLM is about $0.5975 USD dollar is the current price of the XLM coin. Friends, now let's see the last 1 day price prediction, and according to the last 1 day price prediction, we are trying to detect the next target of the XLM coin. Friends, the change occurred in the last 1 day as about negative 1.65%, and the high price of the XLM is about 0.6426 USD dollar is the high price of XLM coin. Friends, so now let's detect the what's next, what's going next in the XLM coin. As you can see here, I think there is a badly fast starts now at this period, but we are trying to detect the next target of the XLM coin, what change goes in the XLM. And this time, friends, as you can see here, the process of the XLM are continuously in the fast, so we can easily detect that's a new pattern of the XLM coin or starts now. As you can see here, from this point they take a jump, they take a fast down. As you can see, that is a neutral level of the XLM coin, that's a support line, and as you can see, they break out the support line. So the that's mean that the continuously fast of the XLM coin or starts now, and after a fast there is a same like that change occur in the XLM coin. As you can see now on the screen, this kind of change occur in the XLM coin maybe in the future. Fast now, after a fast they take a curve, same like that. Look at the screen, this kind of fast occur in the XLM coin. Now there continues fast, and after a fast there is a jump, and after again fast down, same like that a pattern of the XLM coin or starts now. And the coming soon days is the falling days of the XLM coin. Friends, so what's your opinion about XLM? Please share in the comment box, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.